Johnson & Johnson has agreed to pay $700 million in a nationwide settlement resolving allegations that it misled customers about the safety of its talcum-based powder products in its marketing. As part of the settlement, Johnson & Johnson will permanently stop the manufacturing, promotion, and sale of all its baby powder and other body and cosmetic products that contain talcum powder. That includes Johnson's baby powder and Johnson & Johnson's shower to shower. Johnson & Johnson will make 4 settlement payments starting at the end of July to 42 states. More than 50,000 claims have been filed against the company, mostly on behalf of women who developed ovarian cancer. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and share this video. I have been talking about their toxic products for many, many years, sharing lots of articles, so follow Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy on my various social media platforms. Johnson & Johnson has been sued thousands and thousands and thousands of times. They've had many recalls, people getting cancer from their baby powder. Please stop using this product. And if you have used Johnson & Johnson's baby powder and have any kind of medical issues, contact a lawyer immediately to see if there's anything that can be done to get you some help that you may need.